You might be feeling mentally tired right now. Not overwhelmed. Not broken. Just worn down from carrying pressure for too long. This isn't weakness. It's a signal. Staying with this session will help you release the buildup and recover your focus without shutting down. Settle into your position. Feet connected to the ground. Posture upright, but not tense. And when you're ready, close your eyes. You don't need to disappear from effort right now. You just need to recalibrate. Mental fatigue builds quietly. Through constant decision-making, sustained responsibility, long stretches of focus without release. It doesn't announce itself loudly. It just dulls your edge. Right now, we're not fixing anything. We're restoring usable clarity. Bring attention to your breath. Let it move naturally. Notice where the breath feels shallow. Notice where it feels restricted. You don't need to force it deeper. Just allow space. With each exhale, imagine pressure draining downward. Out of the chest. Out of the jaw. Out of the forehead. This is active recovery. Still engaged, just less compressed. Notice your body now. The weight it's been carrying. The tension it's been holding without permission to release. Fatigue doesn't mean stop. It means adjust. Ease doesn't reduce performance. It restores it. Picture yourself stepping back into your responsibilities. Work, training, conversations, decisions. This time with a steadier internal pace. Not rushing. Not dragging. Just available again. That's what real recovery looks like. Not collapse. Not escape. A quiet return to strength. Mental clarity isn't built by pushing harder. It's rebuilt by letting the system reset. Right now, you're giving yourself that reset. Take a slow breath in. Let it out without effort. Feel the difference. Less weight. More space. You don't need full energy. You need usable energy. Calm focus. Steady presence. Clear response. Begin to notice the space around you again. The room. The light. The ground beneath you. And when you're ready, open your eyes. If this helped, like this video, and subscribe to Mindfulete for more. Say this quietly to yourself. I recover without quitting. I return steady and clear.